many do you see?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. But I can't count the other 3 cars.
I think you missed a few.
But I can't count all.
Yeah, there's too many to count. But you did a good job.
But there is only 3 cars. But there is only 3 cars.
I know. There's hundreds of them.
But I can't count the 3 cars.
That's okay.
But I can't count the 3 cars.
You don't have to count them all. That's fine.
But I can't count the 3 cars.
Hey, which is your favorite train?
But I can't count the 3 cars.
It's okay. You don't have to count them.
But I can't count the 3 cars.
You having fun? You seen any steam engines?
I can see a steam engine. There is no steam engine. This diesel engine.
Just diesels. That's boring.
This diesel engine. But there is no steam engine. There is no steam engine.
That's ridiculous. Where'd all the steam engines go?
But they don't have a steam engine. They only have diesels. They only have diesels. They only have diesels.
Hey, Elliott, can you say goodbye?
Goodbye.